So, once again, when we open TIA portal, we have such a window with the table of recently used projects. If we want to open it, so only mark the project and click open. I do not click now open, but change to first steps in order to not waiting for opening project, because I make it a little bit before in order not to waiting during recording. So you please click open and I on the film click first steps. We have exactly the same thing after clicking there open, and we have got this first steps. Now we click open the project view because we want to start programming. At the first view it can be a little complicated because we have got so many windows and what we should do now. It is only on first view, so don't worry, I want to explain you everything in easy way. So on the left side we have got the project tree, and there we have got the tree of our program. We have got the most important things. In our case it is the PLC one, so the name of our PLC, which we have in previous chapter, and we can have also the HMI screen, but not now, we haven't got it add yet. We have also languages resources in order to add another language, and also online access. When we click it, we have another folders where we can connect to online device which is connected with our computer by some interface. It looks like this, but it's not now our case. In the middle of the in the middle window we have the window divided in three parts. First part here, when we have got the main name of the main. Here we have got the program. Of course this window will be changed depending on which program we choose. For example, for main it is the program in the ladder. If we have program in FBD, it looks like a little bit different. If we go for device configuration, so about our hardware configuration, it looks completely in another way. So you have to a little bit play with the program in order to easier changing screens. And on the right, for example, for the hardware parameters, we have got hardware catalog, and we can add to our CPU additionally modules, signal modules, for example, digital inputs or digital outputs. For example, digital outputs relay, 16 outputs, and for example this name we can take it by drag and drop, put it here and have this module here. Also with the analog modules, communication modules, for example communication modules, Profibus, this kind, and we can see that we can add only in this one of these three places on the left side. So come back to main, so our main program in OB1, and here we have got this main window, and on the right now we have got instructions. Instructions are divided in basic instructions, so bit logic operators, the timer, counter, comparator, and so on. Extended instructions, we can take them a little bit in down because we will not use it so fast. Technology objects, PID, control, counting, motion control, communication. Also we can see that there are web server, S7 communication, teleservice, so many informations. Here we can take our favorites instructions in order not to take each time. For example, we use many times in our program timer on, T-on. So take it here, put here, and it is easier to take next time. We can also remove from displays these instructions. For example, we can also put empty box, and by the empty box we can describe what it will be exactly. It can be our function. For example, T-on, we can make it from it, but we can also make from this empty box our function, which was defined before. So here we have got the data block for this counter, but maybe not now. It's not our case now. What else we can have here? At the top of the window, middle window, we have definitions and definitions of the variables, temporary or constant variable for this main program. It is not the same what we have got in the PLC tags, because here we have global variables and here we have got internal variables, which won't be seen by the other program. For example, when we make here another program or function, so these variables from this place won't be available in our another program. What else? At the bottom of the screen we have got some more properties. When we click on some blocks, we can see exactly about the main OB information, because we are in the main OB. When we put some information here, sometimes we can have some more information about the compilation. So there are another things at the bottom. And at the top, small icons for inserting new network, deleting, for switching to online monitoring in order to see how the signal comes by our program. We can see also the most top panel where we have information to go online with our PLC, or we can download information. We can compile on the program in order to check if our program is correct before downloading to device. But if we click download to device, the program automatically compiled the program, so we do not have to make it first this and second download. Additionally, we can go to online mode, and we can switch the PLC to start mode or stop. Moreover, we can test the PLC by using this right panel. If we are in online communication, then we have got here more information in order to stop PLC, start PLC, so the same commands which we had here, but we can also reset the memory, check the actual time of the PLC, but it is easier by using this window, these properties, online and diagnostics. There we can change the Ethernet address, IP address exactly, subnet mask. We can change the time. We can reset to factory settings. So it is the most important things in our program. If we want change to another project, so here at the bottom we have another small icons. Come back to portal view, so we have got this first view and we can change to another project, but we can also in very fast way come back by clicking project view. In the project view we have got our program, and also we have got these small icons in order to faster come backing to previous opened properties. So if we have got here these things, everything open again faster than at the first time.